Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Latoya. For those that are new, welcome, and for those that are already following me, thank you for sticking in. So today I'll be showing you guys on how to do a okra face mask, okra face spray, okra toner. It's everything. So guys, this is the okra toner. First thing is first. So the first thing you will need is okra. This the okra I'm using now is frozen because I have a lot of them, so I had to freeze it before it gets bad. So I'll be using okra and then vitamin C ascorbic acid, so I vitamin C powder capsule. So guys, a little story about okra. I had an aunt of mine. I have an aunt of mine with diabetes, guys. She could not walk, do nothing, nothing. So now after consuming okra, she actually, what she does, she soak the water, mineral water, into the okra, and then she used that as a tea every day in the morning. She drinks that water. Guys, you won't believe that now she's walking perfectly. So this okra is miraculous, I believe me. So you need to take water, put the okra in the water, and then leave it for 1 day. And once it stays in 1 day, it becomes like a jelly kind of thing. And then after that, you take your vitamin C powder, 1 capsule only. Actually, if you don't have vitamin C powder, you don't need that, because okra on its own contains high potent of vitamin C. So I just put this because, guys, my pigmentation melasma that I have, it's a lot. So okra, one of the benefits of okra is high in fiber content. It aids in digestion. It helps low calorie. It can regulate your cholesterol levels. It fights cancer. It helps in fertility and pregnancy. This one I test, not for me testify, but for people that I know that they use. It helps, guys. If you are fighting on becoming pregnant, start drinking okra the way I'm drinking now here. So this one I drink every day because, guys, we have, my family, we have a lot of story of diabetes. So I don't want to, and me getting weight a bit, so I don't want to, and the sugar level and all of that, because this okra helps also to regulate your sugar level. It also regulates, stabilizes also your blood sugar. So, and also diabetes, guys. So it lowers your insulin level. It's potential to help fight of diabetes, part of nutrition and fiber diet. So don't ignore this. That my skin, this is day one. Not day one, actually I was already using this thing, but then then is when I thought of recording this. So that's how my skin is after I gave birth. So then I started having this melasma, pigmentation, whatever you call it, on my skin. And then I wanted to use something organic. I don't want to use chemicals because my skin is super sensitive. The moment I use stronger products and then I get into the sun, my skin burns. So then you apply this on the face the way you see the way I'm doing it here, and then you leave it to dry. Once you dry, you can rinse it with your soap. Otherwise, you can leave it the way it is because you can use it as a toner. So, and then here is day 2 or 3. I don't remember very well. And then I still continue using this. So, okra, it's rich in vitamin C and collagen, guys. It's also healthy. It makes your skin looking healthy, and also helps with dark spot and then inflammations on the skin. So yeah, my skin was already getting there slowly by surely. It was getting there. Yeah, guys, so that's the only thing I could show. I wanted to show you guys about okra. And also it helps of reducing, can also help reducing your wrinkles. It's help with acne scar, skin irritation, and blemishes. Blemishes is what I was having. So if you do this, try this for at least a month and then see if it works. If it doesn't work, you can also stop as well. So now this is my final results. That's how my skin looks now, guys. Okay, but anyways, I use other products, but this one was my main focus. And I also use this sunscreen. So right now I apply this sunscreen on my face. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe. And for more videos, please follow me. I'm joking. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And thank you very, very, very much for watching. Goodbye, guys. So this is my skin. But you can see a bit of dark spot. Yeah, so that's all I wanted to show you guys. And thank you very, very, very much. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.